Hello there. Today I am having another play day and I'm playing around with my silicone cup, particularly trying out different flip cup techniques. And the one I'm going to try to make something with in this video is doing a flip cup with just one colour. In this case I'm using my favourite silver in my silicone cup, as I said, and the colours I'm going to use with it will be possibly, I don't know if I'll use them all, my black, purple, blue, that's phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, crimson red, and old mauve, the colour from Montmartre I'm enjoying using, but I've added a little white to it just to lighten it up a bit so it's more a deep magenta colour. My goal is to try and get my silver to go beneath those colours when I put them around it, to make a lacing or cell type pattern. So I'll get started now.
Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by, yet in thy dark streets shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. O holy child of Bethlehem, descend to us, we pray. Cast out our sins and enter in. Be born to us today.
Right, it's looking a bit messy, but that's quite normal on my play days when I haven't ever done anything like this before. I have been practicing with my silicone cup on doing the flip cups, but to do it this way is completely new and I just love trying new things. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lift the cup up with the silver in it, the silicone cup, but as I do so I'm going to squeeze it and try and squeeze the silver colour under the paints around it. Like so. Bring that silver out underneath those colours and see what sort of a pattern I can make from them. Lift it up and put it to one side. Okay, so the silver has gone under some of those colours. I'm not going to torch yet as I don't want to make cells until I've finished. So I'm going to try and pop that bubble in the middle like so. I'm going to get my gloves on and do some tilting. Before I start the tilting, I'm just going to give it a couple of drops. It helps to bring those bubbles to the surface and sometimes helps to pop them as well. So I'll just drop it. I can see the little red ones already disappearing. Okay, I will get started on my tilting. Some things don't always go to plan. This is certainly hasn't done what I had hoped it would do, but we don't find these things out until we try. So of course my next option is what I love to do when I have too much what I call blandness in my paintings, and that is to scoop up some of the colour from underneath and put it back onto my canvas. So that's what I'm going to do with some of the bright colour. I certainly don't need any more of the silver.
For Christ is born of Mary and gathered all above. While mortals sleep, the angels keep their watch of wandering love. Oh, morning stars together proclaim the holy birth, and praises sing to God the King, and peace to men on earth. And praises sing to God the King, and peace to men on earth.
I wasn't happy with my first attempt. I tried several different things on it and they weren't working. So I've refilled a cup with various colours. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I was so engrossed in what I was doing, I didn't realise that my battery was full, or finished should I say, and I had to replace it, and so I just kept going, and so you've missed part of the end of my tilting and using the torch. So I will now bring the picture up to the camera to show you what I have here. I'm very happy with the blue-green colours together, and the orange certainly adds something different to it. But the lines and patterns in this area are just gorgeous, and the blending, which makes it even prettier. And the orange and a little bit of the purple that is still left on there merge around the edges really, really well. So I'm happy with that. It is I won't say successful play day, but it's certainly been very satisfying doing this. So that's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.